Hello, my name is Jan Benham, founder and CEO of the Aroma Shoppe and director of Pavèz and Jan Benham Cosmetics. I have been a practicing clinical aromatherapist and holistic skincare specialist for over 40 years and a teacher of clinical aromatherapy for over 35 years. And I have been formulating and creating my own cosmetics since the late 1980s. We've been based mainly in Canada and the UK, but have been in the Netherlands for a number of years now. So our goal at the Aroma Shoppe is to create 100% pure and natural skin, hair and body care products, including mineral makeup, in eco-friendly packaging. On this YouTube channel, we show you how we formulate some of our cosmetics and also give information about the ingredients used in our products and how they can benefit the skin and body. And as a holistic skincare specialist, I also give advice on various common skincare problems such as skin allergies, rosacea, acne, plus how to slow down the aging process. We give self-help tips and recipes on how to improve these conditions naturally. So come and join me on a journey on our YouTube channel, and please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Otherwise, it's bye for now.